Okay, good evening, everyone. I'll just only 10 people have joined, so I'll just wait for 2-3 minutes so that all of the students can join us, and then I'll start with the session. Okay, so now let me start with the session. So if you know the manual, today's session is about, there are two things that I'm going to cover. One is the first one is odd one out. Now, what do we do in odd one out? So in odd one out, what we will do is, there would be few alphabets, there would be few numbers. It can be categorized into several parts. So it can be about numbers. I'll explain everything. Please focus. It can be about alphabets. It can be about alpha numero, I mean mixture of alphabets and numbers. It can be about words. It can be about certain objects. And objects, when I am talking, it is both living and non-living. It can be about certain patterns. So patterns, when I'm talking about, patterns can be symbols, patterns can be any geometrical pattern, and likewise. So what I'm trying to say over here is that if I have any particular number series, or I have any particular alphabet series or alphanumeric series, there would be four, or suppose I have four options, or I have five options. So here three options would be similar. Here it will be four, and one option would be out of the category. Like for that matter, I talk about cow, ox, buffalo, chicken, and tell you which of the following is odd one out. So what should be your answer? Your answer should be, what should be your answer? Can you type it? What should be the answer? Okay, so here what I can see is here the answer would be chicken. Why? Because most of you have given this answer chicken. Why? Because they all have four legs. Here it has two legs. Or one particular logic will be they all come from same kind of same type of animals, and chicken is a bird. This is not an animal, so you can say anything possible over here. So similarly, I'll keep on giving you few uh, questions. Just focus on this. So let me just take you to one sheet, which is okay. So before that, I'm writing few odd words. Just focus on this. The odd word is, find the odd word here, which is father. Second option is mother. Third option is brother. Fourth option is friends. Fifth option is sister. So you have to find out odd word here. Which one would be the odd word? Yes. So friend is a right answer because father, mother, brother, and sister, they are all blood relationships. Friend is not a blood relationship, hence the answer would be friend over here. Let me go to the other option, and this one is a little bit of find the odd word. Option A is water, option B is jelly, option C is lemonade, option D is milk, and option E is coffee. Find the odd word here. Yes, so most of you are giving me answer jelly. Jelly is the right answer. Why jelly is the right answer? Because water, lemonade, milk, and coffee are liquids, but jelly is not liquid. You can call it semi-solid or something like that. So the third one is, let me just remove it for you. The third one is pear, B is apple, C is guava, D is lychee, and E is orange. Find the odd word here. A lot of people are giving me answer lychee. Lychee is a wrong answer. Lychee is a wrong answer. Think again on this question. It's not about circular or cylindrical. It's not about shape. Those who are giving me answer orange, explain why orange. Explain why orange. Why orange? It's not about pieces. Only lychee is, sorry, only orange is a citrus food here, fruit here. Orange is the right answer. Now let me give you another question. Find the odd one out. These are the names of cities: Kanpur, Allahabad, Varanasi, and Mathura. Find the odd one out here. Don't just give answers. All are religious places. There is no place which is not religious. You don't categorize places on the basis of religious, not religious. I'm saying you don't categorize places on the basis of religious and non religious. Every city has few temples, few mosques, few churches. Kanpur has major river flowing by its side. So, as you have told Arjun, as you have told, the relation is with river. Yes, the relation is with river. Allahabad is in UP. All four of them are in UP. All four cities are very famous. Kanpur has major river flowing by this. Okay, this question is related to geography. And what is that? Yes, Vanessa, that is right. Vanisha, that is right. I'm sorry. Vanisha, that is right. Only Mathura is a city where Ganga does not pass by. Kanpur, Allahabad, and Varanasi are located on the banks of River Ganga. Mathura is not located on banks of River Ganga. That's the relation here. Hence, odd one out would be Mathura. Don't categorize cities on the behalf of religious, non-religious city. You cannot. Religious is a very subjective term. Next one is dagger, hammer, knife, sword, and blade. What's the answer? Yes, hammer is the right answer because hammer is uh, used to knock something, while knife, sword, blade, and dagger is used to cut something. It has something sharp. Dagger, knife, sword, and blade contain something very sharp to cut something. Hammer is to knock something. The odd one out is hammer. Okay, next one is oyster, clam, scallop, and mussel. Find it out. Oyster is a wrong answer. It's related to biology. Don't get into pearls and all. It's related to biology. Oyster is a wrong answer. Those who are giving answer mussel, tell me why mussel is the answer. Why mussel is the answer? Mussel is also wrong answer. No, that's wrong answer. That's wrong answer. The answer over here is scallop. Yes. Soumya, why scallops? Why? Why that's the answer? People who are writing scallops, why that is the answer? Explain. Yes. So answer is right which Soumya has given. They don't stay in shells. All others stay in cells. So oyster, clam, and mussel is from bivalve family of organism. What is bivalve family? Bivalve family, first one, it does not have head and they stay in shells, some or the other kind of shells. Only scallop, it doesn't stay in cells. So no cells here. So that's why this is a odd one out. So now let me write the next question. sparrow, swan, parrot, and quail. Okay, why swan? Yes. Swan is the only bird which stays in water. All other are non-water birds. So swan is a right answer. It's a yes, yes. I understood. The only water bird or aquatic in nature. Next one is hanger, platform, dock, park, bus stand. Few people are saying park. Few people are saying hunger. Platform is a wrong answer. Okay, let me see what you guys are answering. Hunger is a wrong answer. If you look at hunger, platform, dock, bus stand, all these four places are some or the other transport medium. Hunger is used to park aeroplanes, platform is used to park trains, dock is for ships, and bus stand is for bus. So park is the only place which is not used for any transport medium. Hence, the answer over here is park. So odd one out over here is park. Next one. Please write tulip, rose, bud, and daisy. What's the answer? Yes, bud is the right answer because all others are flower. Bud is the only non-flower object over here. Next one. Polar bear, reindeer, yak, silver fox, and leopard. So as you all are saying leopard, leopard is the right answer here because all these four are found in polar regions. So they are animals found in polar regions. So answer over here is leopard. Okay. Now let me take you to the sheet which I have selected for you. So start solving the questions here. Is the screen clear to all of you? Okay, first one is sharp. Why it is sharp? Because all other are tall, huge, thin, small. These four are related to dimension. Only sharp is not related to dimension. Hence, the answer over here would be sharp. Now let me move to the second question. So what is the answer of second question? So the answer for the second question is what is the answer for the second question? The second question is chicken, snake, swan, crocodile, frog. The answer over here is chicken because all other can stay in water. So all other are aquatic animals. This is not aquatic animal. So hence the answer is chicken. The third answer, can you just find it out? Few people are saying whale, few people are saying eagle. Try to understand cap, turban, helmet, and hat. All four cover the head. Only this whale covers the face. Hence, the answer would be face here. Sorry, whale here. What's the answer for question number 4? Question number 4, what's the answer? Eagle is the right answer. Why? Because all eagle can fly. None of them can fly. All others cannot fly. Only eagle can fly. Hence, eagle is the right answer. Question number 5. Question 5 is very easy. Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Atharva Veda, and Sam Veda are name of the 4 prominent Vedas of Hindu mythology. Ayurveda is not related to written scriptures. Ayurveda is practiced. So hence the answer is Ayurveda over here. Curd, butter, cream, cheese, all are dairy products. Oil is not a dairy product, hence answer is oil. So question number 6, the answer is oil. Okay, what's the answer? Those who are saying entrepreneur is wrong. Please give answer of the question which is being discussed. If question number 7 is being discussed, don't give answer of question number 9. Because the people who are giving answer to question number 9, I can find their names. They have not given answer of question number 7 and 8. So don't give answer of those questions which are not asked. I'm just discussing question number 7. Producer, investor, financier, entrepreneurs, they all are related to investing money somewhere. They spend money. Producer, investor, financier, and entrepreneurs, they always spend money somewhere here or the other. Director is the person who directs, who does not spend money. Is someone related to creativity. So director over here is the right answer for question number 7. Question number 8, what's the answer? Now I'm discussing question number 8. Why trifle? Those who are giving this answer, why? Explain why. Any one of you. Yes. In all other, except trifle, in all other options, try means something related to 3. Trifle is a dessert. It's something to eat. So it's a sweet dessert. You can, it's edible. Or in all other cases, that the try means something related to number 3. Now let's go to question number 9. What's the answer for question number 9? Question number 9. Question number 9, the answer is calendar. Year, date, month, and day all are part of calendar, so they are related. Calendar is the odd one out here. Question number 10, what's the answer? Why Mysore? Yes, somebody wrote here Mysore doesn't have port. That's the right answer. So whether it is Mumbai, Cochin, or Visakhapatnam, they are all coastal areas, and there are ports located over there. Mysore is the only non-coastal area over there. Hence, no port in Mysore. Hence, the answer is Mysore. Now let's go to question number 11. Yes, question number 11. Groundnut is the answer. And somebody has written rest are spices. That is also correct. So cumin, cinnamon, pepper, clove, all are spices except groundnut. So answer is groundnut. Question number 12, what's the answer? Chocolate is not in liquid form. Chocolate is also solid, depending on the temperature. Somebody has written all others are baked items. That is correct. So whether it is biscuit, whether it is cake, bread, or pastry, why do we call it bakery? Because they all are baked products. So except chocolate, all others are baked product. Hence, chocolate would be the odd answer here. So option is B. Question number 13. Okay. So question number 13, the answer is E, stain. Why stain? Because sweep, wipe, scrub, wash, all these four methods are used for cleaning something, for clearing something. So sweeping, wiping, scrubbing, washing are methods of cleaning. Stain is not a method of cleaning. Stain means something, I mean, which has to be cleaned. So option over here is stain. Now let's go to option 14. What's the answer? White trousers. Give me an option. Sorry, give me an explanation. White trousers in question number 14. Yes, that's right. Trousers are worn on the lower part of the body. Coat, shirt, vest, and sweaters are worn on upper part of the body. So that's why trouser is a right answer here. Question number 15 is easy. Here the answer would be Argentina because Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica all are continents. Argentina is a country. Now let's go to question number 16. Question number 16, what's the answer? Let me check what answer you have given. Question number 16, moon is the right answer because all others are planet. Question number 17. Question number 17, most of you are giving me answer gloomy. Gloomy is the right answer because all others are words to express happiness. Whether it is happy, lively, cheerful, sarcastic, everything is used to express happiness. Gloomy is the only word which is related to sadness. So answer is gloomy here. Question number 18. Yes, cone is a right answer here because cone is the only 3D figure over here. All others are 2D figures. So whether it is circle, triangle, rectangle, square, all other are 2D figures. But cone is the only 3D figure. That is why answer here would be cone. Now let's go to question number 19. Correct. Question number 19. Answer is mercury because it is liquid at room temperature. Let's go to question number 20. Question number 20. I'm getting two answers bird and radar. Those giving these two answers, please let me know why are you giving these two answers. So for radar, I'm getting one explanation that radar is the only object given here which is not a flying object, which cannot fly by itself, which cannot fly. Answer is radar only here because all others are flying objects: kite, bird, jet, rocket. Radar is not something which flies. So that's the answer here. Question 21. Yes, palm is a right answer. Palm does not have any joint. So answer in question 21 would be option E, palm. Question 22. Diver would be the right answer because diver is a profession under the water. So doctor, teacher, engineer, carpenter would not be right here. So diver looks out to be most appropriate answer here. Question 23. Squash is a wrong answer. Squash cannot be the answer here. Polo is the right answer because polo is the only sports which is outdoor here. All other chess, ludo, squash, cards are indoor sports. Solve question 24. I'm getting so many answers here. Yes, June is the right answer. Those who are saying that June is the only month which has 30 days here is right. So that's the correct answer. Okay, chalo. Answer is June here. So I hope we practiced this part of very properly. Now let me go to the symbols. Before I go to the symbols, let me explain how it happens. So in figures, what happens is, so what do you look, if a figure is given over here, you look at following characteristics. You look at shape, you look at size, you look at pattern, structure, what is origin of it, you look at order, you look at species, grade, style, constituents, all these things. And if you look at all these things, answer can be found out. Like what happens in this kind of case is 4 to 5 figures would be found in one by one fashion, and these kind of separations would be made. So I'm making a circle here, I'm making a line here, I'm making another line here, I'm making another line here, I'm making another line here. I'm This is option A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E. You have to tell me out of these 5 figures which one is odd one out. So what's your answer? Everyone is saying A is a right answer. Why? Because this is a circle, all other is a straight line. Now let me make a figure. So this is star. Now this is option A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E. Now let me know which among the following is the answer. One particular change I'll do here, then give me answer. Somebody is saying A, somebody is saying D, somebody is saying C. Kshitij is saying D, 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 D. In B, those who are saying in B there are non-repeating things. In B, this circle is repeating. D is a wrong answer. Look at here, option C is right here, because in all other options only one particular thing is repeating. Like here, this is repeating. In B, this circle is repeating. In D, S is repeating, and nothing else is repeating. In E, this equal to sign is repeating. In C, this cross is also repeating, and this circle is also repeating. So option would be C, because there are two elements which are repeating each other, repeating itself. So hence option C would be the odd one out here. Let me draw one or two more diagrams here. And these diagrams are, what is the answer? Yes, E is the right answer here. Last one is the right answer because two different figures are used. Okay, so you are understanding these things. Now let me go to the practice sheet. Solve the first question. Solve the first questions. Okay, first question, option E is right. Why? Because here there are two kind of sticks here. One is hollow and one is colored. Here two colored and one hollow. Here three colored and two hollow. Here four colored and three hollow. Here two colored and one hollow. Here three colored and three hollow. It means that number of two kinds of sticks over here are same, and in all other number of sticks of the two different kinds are not same. Hence the answer would be E here. Now let's go to option 2. Most of the answers which I'm getting for question number 2 is option A. Option A is a right answer. Why? Because in all other figures there is one particular element which is open. Only in option A there are all figures which are closed, whether it is a triangle, whether it is a rhombus, whether it is a hexagon, pentagon, they are all closed figures. In option B, C, D, E, there is one figure which is open. That's why the answer would be A here. Go to question 3. What's the answer? 3D is the wrong answer. 3C, people are writing 3C. Why 3C? Explain. Can somebody explain me? Yes, Nikhil has given me the right answer. In option C, you look at here. In option C, in option A, this arrow is towards the left of this dot. Here also the arrow is towards the left of the dot. Here also the arrow is towards the left of the dot. Here also, but here the arrow is towards the right of the dot. Hence the option would be option C. Tanishka gave me the right answer. Sorry. Question 4 we will solve. Question 4. Solve question 4. Why B? A lot of people have given me answer B. Why B? Explain. B is the right answer. B is the right answer. Why B? Can someone explain? Yes, Tanishka has given the right option, that bottom ends are not towards each other. That's the, look at here. Here everywhere bottom ends are towards each other. Only in B bottom ends are not towards each other. Hence the option would be B. Question number 5. Question number 5. Most of you are saying A is a right answer. Why? Because you look at here, in all other options, here there is a circle, so here is a shaded circle. Here there is a pentagon, so here there is a shaded pentagon. Similar shapes have been shaded inside the given figures. Here there is a square, but a rectangle has been painted here. Hence option A is right answer. Question number 6. Question number 6. Most of you are saying A. Yes, A is the right answer, because you can look at it and you can say that whatever has been cut over here, that has been painted on the other side. Here there is no such region. The portion which has been cut, that itself has been painted. So option A is right answer. Question 7. Question 7, a lot of, yes, I got the answer. In question 7, it would be option D, because the shaded portions are on the same side of the line. Here they are on opposite side. In all other figures they are on opposite side. Only in question 7D the shaded portions are facing, or shaded portions are on the same side of the line joining them. So that's the answer. Go to question 8. Why 8B? Why B? Explain. How do you find out angle? Angle is not a criteria. Tanishka, difference of one gap between which two figures? More tilted is also. Vanisha, what is not opposite to shaded area? You look at this shaded portion and this lined portion. They are not adjacent. There is a line in between. Here also shaded portion and lined portion, there is a line in between. So this cannot be answer, this cannot be answer. Shaded portion and lined portion, there is a line in between, this cannot be answer. Again shaded portion and lined portion, there is a line in between. In only this figure, shaded portion and the lined portion are adjacent to each other. Hence eighth answer is option B. So this brings me to the end of this particular topic. Now let's go to another sheet, and this is about finding missing numbers. Now when I talk about finding missing numbers, so let me explain you this particular topic. This depends on only mathematical skills. So what will happen? Few numbers would be added, subtracted, multiplied, or divided, square, cube, whatever we discussed in the last time. So those patterns you have to see. If you look at those patterns, you will find out the pattern over there. Let me start with a question. So it is something like this. Look at here. This is 16. This is 17, 13, 22. This is 68. Second one is 32, 5, 49, 81, and this is 167. So looking at these two patterns, you have to find out this value, which is 25, 11, 50, 34, and you have to find out what I should fill in here. Give me the answer. Batao. What is it? If you look at 68, you add all the numbers. You add this, how much you get? You get 29. You add this, how much you get? 39. 39 plus 29 is 68. Then you add this, how much you get? 81. Then you add this, how much you get? 86. You add this, you get 167. It means that whatever numbers are written, addition of that has been written in the circle. So I'll add this will give me 75, and I add this will give me 45. Now 75 plus 45 gives me 120, so I'll write 120 here. Now let me go to another question. So let me make this for you. So this is 4, 2, 3, 6. This is 6, 3, 4, 8. This is 18, 2. This you have to find, and this is 27. What's the answer? How 3? Explain me. Explain me how it is 3. Can someone explain me how it is 3? 2 into 9 is, Anchita is telling me 2 into 9 is 18. 3 into 9 is 27. That can be one option, but it can be done like that, or it can be like this. 4 into 3 divided by 2 is 6. So here it would be 18 into 3 divided by 2 is 27. So that's how you can write this is 3. So anything you can write, 9 into 2 is 18 and 9 into 3 is 27. That is also correct. So anything you can do like that. Now let me go to another particular question. And this question is like this. In center I have 234. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. Then in center I have 624. This is 8, this is 5, this is 9, this is 7, this is 6, this is 4. So in center, what will you fill if 3, 4, 8, 5, 2, and 7 is there? Let's solve it. What's the answer? Few people are giving me answer 164. I'll just wait for other answers. Okay, a lot of people are giving, not a lot, 5, 6 people have given me answer 164. I'm waiting for other answers. Okay, not more than that. Whatever numbers are above, if this is the midpoint, numbers above it are 2, 3, 4. Multiply 2, 3, 4. What do you get? You get 24 on this side. You multiply numbers lower than this. You get 5 into 6 into 7, which is 30 into 7 is equal to 210. You add both these numbers, 22, 24 plus 210, you get 234. Again, you multiply numbers here. You get 6 into 5 into 4 is 120, and you get multiply numbers 9 into 8 into 7, which is 72 into 7, which gives you number 504. You add 504 and 120, you get 624. So what I'll do to find out this middle number, I'll multiply these numbers. This gives me 7 into 3 into 4, which is 21 into 4 is 84, and this gives me 2 into 5 into 8, which is 10 into 8 is 80. Now if I add numbers 84 plus 80, I get 164. That's my answer over here. Okay, now let me go to another question. The question is, It's something like this. Just look at here. And it's a good question. It's taking a bit of time for me to make this, but you will enjoy this question. Something like this. So now let me go here and let me write the numbers. This is 4, 3, 7, 5, 4, 8, 5, 10, and this is 49, and this is 14, this is 22. You have to find this number. This is 144. And this is 225. What's the answer? Now 144 is a right answer here. You look at here. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 square. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 square is 49. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 square is 144. Now you look at here. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 square is 225. So here it is 8 plus 4, 12. 12 square over here would be 144. So answer is 144. Now let me just give you another question. And this question is all about triangles. So let me draw 3 triangles. And the numbers given over here are, this is 6, 4, 3, 27. This is 5, 3, no, 1 second, just give me a moment. This is 5, 2, 3, which is 13. This is 4, 6, 3. What would be the answer here? Okay, and answer over here is you multiply these two and then add the number at the base. So 6 into 4 plus 3 is 27, 5 into 2 plus 3 is 13, so 4 into 3 plus 6 would be 18. Answer here is 18. So that's not a difficult question. Most of you have given me the answer. All of you have given me the right answer. Now, before I go to the sheet, I would like to solve one more question. This is something like this. 9B, 5C, 4A, 6A, 2B, 8C, 3B, 2A. What should be here? 3C is a wrong answer. Yes, Pravalika, how 5C? 5C is a right answer here. 4 plus 5 is 9 coming here. 6 plus 2 is 8 coming here. So here 3 plus 2 would be 5 and it would be C. So it would be 5C, nothing else. Add both of them. So it will be 5C. Now once we are done with this, let me move to the questions. And the question is in front of you. Solve the questions here. Solve the first question. What's the answer? Most of you are giving me answer 981. I don't know how you are giving me answer 981. Can someone explain? Okay, let me check if someone can explain. 981 is a right answer, so don't try for anything else. Look at here, 6 square is equal to 36 and 3 square is equal to 9. So it has been written as 369. 2 square is 4, 5 square is 25. It has been written 425. So I'll find out 3 square which is 9 and 9 square which is 81. So here this answer would be 981. Nothing else. So answer is 981 here. Now let me go to another question. Solve question number 2. What's the answer? People are saying 81. A lot of people are saying 81. So 4 square is 16. No, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square. So it will be 9 square, 81. That's absolutely fine. Now let me move to question uh, 3. Just look at question 3 and try solving it. Was the answer here? Yes, 14 is the right answer. Sum of the two numbers written at the top divided by 2 gives me the right answer. 7 plus 5, 12 divided by 2 is 6. 5 plus 21, 26 divided by 2 is 13. So 24 plus 2, 28 divided by 2 would be 14. Option D. Solve question 4. Question 4. Was the answer? A lot of people have given me answer 184. Let me check. So this question is based on the option of getting 16 square minus 7 square, which is equal to 256 minus 49, which is equal to 207. So something on the right square minus number on the left square will give you the answer here at the bottom. So 12 square minus 8 square is equal to 80. So 25 square minus 21 square is 625 minus 441. So I have 49 here and then 59 here and then 25 on the other side. I get 184 as my answer. Solve question number 5. What are you giving me as answer? A lot of people are giving me answer 6. Okay, let others give me the answer. Okay, so answer over here is 6 only. 14 minus 5 is 9, 12 minus 5 is 7, 10 minus 5 is 5, 16 minus 5 is 11. So 9 minus 5 is 4, 7 minus 5 is 2. Here 5 minus 5 is 0. So it means that the next column is for, I mean, previous column minus 5. So 11 minus 5 would be how much? It would be 6. So both A and B is answered. Two options given over here as um, 6. So both are your option. Question number 6. A very straightforward question. It is 13, 17 into 13 is 13 into 17 is 221, 12 into 19 is 228. So 13 into 18 would be 234. As simple as that. So that's not a question we should be worrying about. Question number 7. Got it. Answer is 234. Solve question number 7. Yes, 26 is the right answer. So 2 square plus 4 square is 20, 3 square plus 9 square is 90, 1 square plus 5 square will be 26. So that's the right answer. Solve question number 8. After that, we'll wrap up the session. Yes, 41 is absolutely the right answer because 5 into 3 plus 4 is 19. 7 into 5, 35 plus. So here 6 into 4, 24 plus 5 is 29. It means that I am multiplying numbers on the um, two sides of the triangle and adding the number on the base. 7 into 5 is 35. 35 plus 6 is 41. So that's the answer. So I hope you understood everything. I hope you understood everything which I have taught you today. I will be sending this to you in a day or two. So that's what from me for today, and I hope you all have got TMH books. Whatever topic I'm solving, please solve a lot of questions from the reference book which I have suggested to you. Uh, per week, solving 30, 40, 50 questions from one topic. So like 50, 60 odd number questions and 40, 50 number finding questions, or finding missing number questions this week would help your cause. So that's it from my side today. If you have any doubt, do let me know. Uh, Send your queries to me, I'll help you out. So, and if what happens, sometimes you send me the doubt and I look at it and then I forget, because I'm in the middle of something, and that's why I'm unable to answer it. It's not intentionally. So if I'm not sending you the answer in a day or a two, please remind me again so that I can solve it and send it back to you. So thank you so much for joining the session, and I hope you'll keep on solving questions on MAT. I also hope that you are solving it daily as I suggested you last time. So with this, I wrap up the session for today. Thank you so much. Thanks.